Howdy, gamers. How are we doing? I'm doing great. Hang on, this music is really loud. At least for me. Try that. That's a little better. Alright. Getting ready for this first playtest coming up. If you're not in the Shopping Spree Extreme Discord, that's where it's going to be at. So, link is down below. I'll also put the link in chat for those of you interested. And there you go. Last week we attempted to add controller support to the UI and failed. So I've done a little more research and I think I figured out the issue. So should be able to do it tonight. But there are some things I have done in between streams that haven't been shown. So let me show those. First off, actually, turn this music off real quick here. First thing is I made some music. Doesn't really fit the theme, but it's music that I made that I have the rights to. So that's the music that's being used right now. So that's out of the main menu. Tyler is working on adding kind of an intercom effect to it so that we can put it into the grocery store level, at least for the first playtest. I'm pretty sure it's going to change after the first playtest because it's very mellow and that's not what we're going for here. We just wanted to have something there so it's not super quiet. Anywho, what else? There was, if I go and press play here, it's quiet here because the music hasn't been put into the level yet. Just give me a second here, let the level load. There you go. And there you see it. The cart has a little blue outline here. And that is for the purpose of, say, you're on this side of the level, or you have...
Come on, I've got 1 hour left.
Oops. Say you're on this side.
Grind your bones into dust.
Okay. You know, you're away from your cart, and you're not really sure where it's at. So this outline allows you to see it. There it is, right over there, right above my hand. So real easy to see. We're also going to use this for whenever I start implementing multiplayer. Only, you know, every player is going to have a cart assigned to them, and you know, that assigned cart is going to have that outline effect. So I had a lot of fun doing this. It was involving post-processing materials, and there's so much cool stuff you can do with those. I had a good time with it, even though it's something real simple like this. Also, let me, I guess, play through this so I can show you. We realized that we don't have any kind of indicator what you're supposed to do once your shopping list is filled, like once your cart is filled, I guess. So I added a UI indicator. Tyler is working on a visual indicator in the level for that. And we'll get that done this week, of course, because we got to submit our build into Steamworks so that they can improve it and that we can move on with our playtest. That is October 29th is when that is starting. But again, you have to be in our Discord server to be part in that. So go join. I need this thing. I need to get that thing off the floor because I'm going to run over it. Come here. Thank you. Put you right here. There we go. I need one of you. There we are. I need 2 chocolate cakes and 2 sausages. All right. What a diet. Two chocolate cakes. There we go. Let's see here. Nope. It's not a chocolate cake right here. Ah, I broke that. Darn it. Oh, I lost. Okay. Well. Oh well. If you get your list filled, instead of at the bottom where it says total price, or I should say the bottom of that little notepad with all your items, instead of saying the total price, I'll just say go to checkout. That's all it is. Okay, controller support. So, we're back on the main menu level here, and if you remember last week, I just couldn't get any input events to trigger, and for all you game devs out there, it's because, is it this one? Yeah. The widget itself, I did not realize this. You have to select the main component, and go over here under interaction and check this is focusable box. And then after that, you have to set focus to it. Setting input mode UI and setting in widget to focus doesn't do it. So you have to call a set focus function and reference your widget in there. Because now, I have my Xbox 360 controller here. You can see I get debug messages because I put something in there to trigger debug messages. So it is detecting input from my controller, right? So that's good. That's a good first step. Now we just got to tell it to do something when that gets triggered, right? So that's what we're going to do today. Let's see here. Go over here. This is our on key down event. So we don't need, well, I'll leave that one there probably. Let me look at my output log here because that's going to show. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Unreal. There we go. Whoa. Why is there all these errors? Or warnings, I guess. Here we go. Nope, just kidding. Where's all my output? Oh, sorry. It's too quiet, isn't it? There we go. Okay, it's just not telling me here. All right, that's fine. Let's go back. Turn off my music volume. glad that works. So I want the left joystick up and down. So gamepad left thumbstick down, gamepad left thumbstick up. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so these are wrong. Down. Left thumbstick up. So I guess we'll want more than this, but for now, we'll just do this. So don't need that. Let's plug you stream here. Okay, so now we go to this function. Say get current visible page, and then controller handle menu panel. This is what we want. So our menu panel button index, that's going to control what button we're currently focused on. So yes, that is what I want. So let's see, menu button index. So if we increase it, that means I'm going down, right? If I do that. And then, yep. So if we're at the top and we do thumbstick up, it does nothing. Yes. And then face button will activate it, of course, but we'll worry about that later. So let's do this again. Oh wait, shit. This won't work because wait a minute. One key down. Ah. Okay. I know how to do this. I know how to fix this. Let's add an input. Let's say up. And then yeah. Menu panel, and then this one we also need a input for up. And then instead of this, do a branch. So if up is true, we do nothing. If up is false, meaning down, we do that. May have to come back to that later, but that should be fine. Do this, and then duplicate it. This time it is up. Do this. Okay. Do this. Select on one, then if it's down, then we increase it, right? If it's up, then we decrement. How far are you in development? Let me think. So this game originally started as a 2-week project in college, so I guess if you're going by that standard, it's several years, but it's been a while since we worked on it. We started revamping it and like planning for release back in, what was that, early May of this year. So what, like 5 months? Yeah, about 5 months. 5.5 if you include the 2 weeks in college, but we pretty much revamped everything that we did there. Okay, so I decrement that, and then I gotta do this. So say see, set focus on. And one is one around the options button, so we want to set focus to the play button. This one. And then we gotta go back here. Press options button. Hover options button. Ah. So we need more functions, right? So custom event or hover play button. And custom event unhover play button. And then one more for press play button. That, and then we go back to our thing here and we say hover play button. And then we'll worry about that later. Let's just test that out, see if that works. So by default, we want the play button to be hovered if we're using a gamepad, but we can worry about that later. Let's try it. Grab my controller here. Oh. Okay, so it kind of works. You can see I get the outline. But why do I not get the checkbox for that? Okay. Interesting. Let's see. Hover play button does set brush to that. That's not what I wanted. Brush, yeah. Something going on with the focusing, I guess. I don't want it to get that blue outline either. Let's do back here. We say hover play button and unhover options button. Try that. See what that does. No. It does it right the first time, but then okay, now I can't do anything with that because that's a whole different menu. Because I'm setting focus. Like, do I need to set focus, I guess? I don't know. Let's try disconnecting these. Move it out of the way here. Because, like, the widget itself has focus. And that's what we want. Let's see. now I can't do anything with the buttons either. Okay. So I guess that is needed. But why? So it increases it there, right? Do I not want these to be focusable? No, that's not all. Wait, that time I pressed up and it still did it. Unfocus. Is there an unfocus button or event? Let's see. To our event graph here. Play button. Unhover. No, there's not. Okay. It's focusable. Play button. That's fine. That's the wrong thing. I need this one. So, what is happening here? It does this one, yeah. I'm wondering if these aren't working. Like, it's not incrementing or decrementing. That's the only thing I can think of. But it's also like, after it sets focus on the options button, then it just seems to have a different behavior. So oh, maybe that's probably a big part of it. I never plugged that in. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. And now they're both just checked. Okay. So that's part of it. Switch focus, hover play button, unhover options button. So I should probably say unhover play button here, right? Unhover play button. Because it seems to be giving me some weird behavior. Say like it goes down to options, but then it focuses the credits button. And then it doesn't unfocus the options button. Why are you doing that? Maybe if I set focus last. I'm wondering if these hovering things are interrupting the focus. Maybe if I put that last and then do the same thing here. Let's see. Oh, now I get nothing. What? Oh, there we go. Still not doing what I want. Hey, like, why does it jump down sometimes? Those increment, decrement, integer things. I feel like that's something to do with it. But maybe, I don't know, maybe once I put in the rest of the functionality for those buttons, maybe that will help. Yeah, let's just try it. So we need, let's see, if it's up, or no, sorry, if it's down on the options button, then we're going to the credits button. Yeah, we need to go back to our event graph here. We need to make some more functions here. Unhover credits button. Okay. Yeah, we might as well do it for the quit button while we're here, because we're gonna have to. Now that I got all of those out of the way, go back to this one here. We say hover credits button. unhover options button, yeah? And then set focus to our credits button. And then just see here. Nope. So okay, so then can move these up a little bit. I guess we can move these down a little bit. So then we'll want to take this again. So then on this button, button 2, that is our credits button. So if we decrement there, we're going back up to the options button. We start with a unhover credits button, and then we say hover options button, and set focus to our options button here. This thing. And then if we increment, then we're going down to our quit button. So let me say hover quit button. And we're going to set focus to our quit button. And last but not least, at the very bottom, our quit button. So if we're at the bottom and we try to go down, does nothing. So it's only going to have the true pin here. And that's going to be decrement node. There. So then here it's going to unhover the quit button and then hover the credits button. And then set focus on the credits button again. Let's see if that works. Probably not, but that's why we test. Let's see. Okay, options, credits, quit, credits, options, play. Oh. Oh. Some odd behavior, but it's correctly like only checking one box at a time. It's just focus is a little off. See, like right now the options button is checked, but the play button is hovered. Or sorry, the options button is checked, but the play button is focused. So if I were to press A or the bottom face button on your controller, it would take me to the play menu. So that's an issue. Let's try this instead. So let's do plus 1. Take this one. Say set menu panel button index. This is coming off the pulse node here. So we're going to actually, is this a local variable? No, this is a global. All right. So we can grab this and say class function. Say increment menu panel index. And then take this one out, take this one out, subtract 1, say set menu button index. Collapse this to a function. We'll say decrement menu panel index. Did I spell that right? I think I did. Alright, so which one am I where? We're on the button, and we go up. That's decrementing, so that's this one. Yes. And then increment goes down here. Not sure if this will fix it or not. I know these increment and decrement nodes are kind of finicky. So we'll see before I do that. So I don't lose track of where I am. Increment here. And then a decrement. Just like so. Let's see now. Nope. It's still not focusing correctly. It's almost correct, but it's just like sometimes it like detects two inputs. Like times like this, the focus just goes away. Or the focus indicator at least goes away. What am I doing wrong here? All right. Let me use my good friend Google. See what we're doing wrong here. No, I don't want the set focus function for AI. I want the set focus function for UI. Does Unreal not have documentation for that? That's not good. Okay. Let's see. I need to figure out. Hang on. Try this again. What is that? See, and then the focus indicator shows up. Why does the focus indicator only show up sometimes? Stop. Just gonna uncheck all these because I want to see something. Because at the very start, this widget, like, entirely should have focus, and it does, because you can see those debug statements popping up. That's being called through the widget blueprint. So it does have focus, and it's detecting input, right? That fixed my issue, actually. It works perfectly fine now. But see, now I can't press anything. But I have events for that. That was it. We did it, boys and girls, and anyone in between. Alright, so we don't need any of these set focus things then. That was the issue. Get that out of there. Alright. Cool. So, menu panel. So, now we gotta do something about, thumbstick y-axis. Should probably rename this to menu panel. Navigation, and then we can say, custom event handle bottom base button. Then we gotta do this again. Do this, and then we'll just do something for menu panel now, since that's the one we have going. We're gonna create a new function saying controller handle menu panel activation. So, we can call that here. Say controller, this one. So from here, then we can say, get our menu panel button index. Then we can do a switch on int. So we have 4 buttons, so it's 0 through 3. And then here, so we just say press play button. We already made functions for those. Press options. Press credits. And press quit. And that should be it. Should be all we need to do. But we have to go back to our on key down event here. Instead of handle thumbstick y-axis, we say handle bottom face button, and then we plug into here. Let's see. Okay, so that works correctly the way I want it to. I press play. That worked. Try it again. Options. Options works. Credits. takes us to the credits. I'm gonna sit here and watch these. There's my buddy Tyler. Tyler again, doing one of the voices. I've done the music that's in the game so far. It's gonna change. It might not be mine by the time the game releases next year. Here he does some of the art. And then our one and only patron right now. If you wanna be a patron, you'll get your name in the credits of this game. And you'll get Discord benefits. But link to that is down below and in chat. And if it's not in chat for whatever reason, use the SSE command. Okay, credits button works. Let's see, quit button. Quit button works. All right, we're getting places. Very cool. All right, we don't need this right now. Oops, sorry. I think we're done with this for now. I might add functionality for like the right button, so in case of Xbox Controller, the B button, for you to just go back instead of having to go down and press the back button. We'll see. That's later stuff. For the first playtest, it's definitely not going to be in there. We don't need this one anymore, and we don't need this one anymore. Yeah. So, for all of these, why do we have a controller input? Get rid of that. Don't need that. We don't need that. We do, however, need an up boolean. For all of these. Now I can just plug this guy into all of them. Just like so. Why are you yelling at me? Oh. Because actually this can just go away. We don't need any of that. Why are you still yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me? Oh. It's because that's fine. Ah, come on. Okay. Don't need you. I need this guy. Let me actually pull up the other one. This one. We're gonna rename these to so I can easily understand them. Difficulty select, navigation, and yeah, then we'll add the activation functions later. All right, so yeah, we need to switch. You know what? Let me just go ahead and do this. Make my life easier. Do this, put it in there. Put this one into all of you. There we go. Return note here. Do I need a return note? I don't think so. Got that. Alright. So we don't need to set focus. We know that causes issues. So we're going to say... oh, wait. This is the play menu button index now. Right. So... on the play menu, not the menu panel, play menu, we will have 3 buttons, but for the first playtest we just have the 2. Single player and back button. Multiplayer will be later on. So that's all we need to worry about for now. So I guess, in this case, we don't need 3, we just need... Well, we'll leave 2 in there, but... we're not gonna, or we're gonna leave 3 in there. I mean, we're just not gonna do anything with that middle one there. We're gonna take this guy. We're gonna add 2 to him, and then set play menu button index. So if we're at the top one and we go down, we say +2. Yeah. And then same thing here, but instead we go up, so we subtract 2. Just like so. These 2 we can delete for now. And then we need to make our functions. So we can go back to our event graph here for our, where is it? Play menu right here. So custom event. We say press single press PM single button. I'll call it that just to keep our naming consistent. Not the best naming in the world, but it'll do. No, sorry. Hover. PM single button. That. And then unhover PM single button. That goes down here. That should be all we need there. Multiplayer button we're not going to worry about because we're not doing anything with it yet. Custom event. Press PM back button. Hover PM back button. And last but not least, unhover PM back button. Okay, so then we can take that, and I keep clicking that. That's not the one I need to click. I need to do this one. So we say hover PM back button and unhover PM single button. And then down here we hover PM single button and unhover PM back button, just like so. So that should work there. We will want to add something for, you know, initializing which one's selected first, but that'll come after we do all this. So let's go back to what are we doing now? Oh, actually, first let's just make sure that works. It's the same exact code as the other one, so it should. But so this is for press the play button. Yep, we can do that with controller, but can't activate them because we haven't put that functionality in yet. But that is working. That's what we want. So, that's all good there. Let's let's see. We need to make a function for activating the right here, right? So do this. Say duplicate. This is handle play menu activation. So instead of menu panel, can I just do replace? Yes. Play menu button index. We don't want any of these, and we're going to take out the number 3 pin. We're going to leave the number 1 pin in there because that's for the multiplayer button, but we're not doing anything with it right now. So we're just going to say press PM single button and press PM back button. So then go back to our event graph here. Say controller handle play menu activation. Let's see. So that's all working. Press play, go single player back, press back, goes back here. Press here, goes forward. Sweet. That's what we want. So let me grab all of this here, move it up a little bit. So save that. We get rid of this. All right, moving on. After we go to the play menu, assuming we press single player, then we go to single player level select, just down here. So first thing, we gotta add our new functions, or our new events, I guess. And we'll say press SP level 1 button. It's a really long mouthful. Another one. Hover SP level 1 button. Plug that in here. And one more. Unhover SP level 1 button. Plug that in there. Maybe space this out a little bit. There we go. And then the back button. So custom event. Press. We'll call this LS back button for level select. Back button. And then hover. Oops, sorry. Hover LS back button. And unhover LS back button. Do that. And then we're good. And that should be everything we need there. I keep doing this. So now I need to go to not difficulty select, but level select. So off of here, we do a switch on int. So right now there's only one level, right? But we're gonna add all the pins in for all 6 levels. So in this case, there's the 6 level buttons and then the back button, so there's 7 total. So 0 through 6. And then our selection will be from our SP level select button index. Just like so. But we only have to implement 0 and 6 right now, because those are the only buttons that are functioning at the moment. So we just go here, we branch, and 0. So if it's at the very top, meaning it's on the first button, and you go up, it does nothing. And if you go down, it goes down to the back button. So off of here, we'll say set level. No, sorry. What is it? Set level set button index. That's what we want. We want a plus. We want to grab this guy. So it's gonna be this guy plus what, 6? Yeah, because that'll jump it down to the back button index, right? So we do that, then we say unhover SP level 1 button and hover LS back button. And then down here on 6, we check if up or not, right? So if it's going down and you're already at the back button, it's gonna do nothing. So if you're going up, you're going to set this guy to be this minus 6. So I guess we could have just set it like hard set it to 6 and 0, but it's fine. Unhover LS back button and hover SP level 1 button. That should be all we need to do there. So then we go back to our event graph. And then we make a new function for controller handle activation of the level select. So we're gonna duplicate our other function. We're gonna say handle SP level select for single player level select. So I don't want you. We want to add our pins there. We want to replace you with our SP level select button index. Here we want to say press SP level 1 button. And then down here we say press LS back button. And that's all we gotta do for now, for that one. So let's just double check, make sure everything's working correctly. Press play, we go single player. Yep, we can select between them. I select grocery store. Oh. Oh, you know what? I forgot to plug in that function. That's why that didn't work. Right here. Controller handle speed level select activation. That's why that wasn't working. Let's try now. Single player, grocery store, and that took us there. Yep. Cool. Exactly what we wanted. All right. Last thing is for the difficulty select, right? I know there's a settings thing here, but the settings menu is its own animal that we have to tackle. It is 8 o'clock though, so we're gonna take a 5-minute break, okay? 5 minutes. Go do what you need to do. We'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Alright, so we were just gonna finish up that difficulty select. So, we already have the function here for the navigation. We just gotta... not this one. Let's copy this one here. Well, we don't need to copy it, but we know what we're doing. So difficulty select. Let's go back to our designer here. What is this? Difficulty select has easy, medium, hard buttons, a start, and a back button. So there's gonna be 5 for this one. So we do a switch on int again. We go 0 through 4 because that's 5. Alright. So 0, 1, and 2, that's our easy, medium, hard buttons. And then 3 and 4 are the play and back buttons. So first thing, we need to get our selection here, which is our difficulty select button index. So I guess first we gotta go make all those custom events. Yeah. So custom event here. We'll say check easy button. Plug this in here. Oh shoot. Maybe do this. Yeah, we'll do that. Custom event, say check medium button. Put that in there. And then, nope, sorry. Custom event, check hard button. Ooh, actually, this isn't going to check it. It's just going to set everything else to not check. Maybe... Well, because these are on state change, so I guess I can just do, like, wiki button and then say set is checked for our easy button. Set is checked. And in is checked. Put that to true. Okay, and then oh, this is gonna be messy. Set is checked. True. We don't want that. So I want it here. Set is checked. Okay, that makes that really easy. And custom event. Oh, hello. You spooked me. Oh, sorry. Press. Okay. Oh, she said something to me. Press single start button. Let's just not that. Do this. Thank you. Custom event. I'll call this hover. Single start button. And unhover start. Oops. Single start. Nope. I have a habit of holding down the shift key too long. Okay, there's all our events. At least all the ones we need for now. And we can go here. So we might want to have something separate for difficulty select because there are buttons horizontally in a row. So we might want to add something for the left and right joystick movements for that. But for now, we'll leave it. So on 0, we say, well, first this plus 1. We're gonna duplicate that. And then we're gonna say set SP difficulty select button index. I guess we need a branch here. So if up is false, do this. And then we say check medium button. Yeah. We're gonna convert this to a function just to collapse it down. Increment difficulty select index. Just to make things a little tidier. Do this here. There. And do this. But then we have to also this guy. Say minus 1 and set SP difficulty select. Collapse the function, we say decrement difficulty select index. Do that. Alright, so then we say check easy button if we're going from the medium back up. And here we say check hard button. Just like that. Next. Do this again. Okay, so then if you're on the hard button and you go back up, then you want to check the medium button. And then if you're on the hard button, you go down. That goes down to the play button. And then we have to say hover the, what is it? The SP, no. What is it? Single start button. Yeah. Yeah. Right. So then got this. Same thing here. So from here, again, gotta do this. So now we're on the start button. If we go back up, we say unhover the single start button. And or I guess, shoot, no, we don't want to. don't want to check these based on... Yeah, we don't want to check. We want to check those when you activate it. Okay, so we'll have to do something about that. Increment, difficulty select. So this is when we're on the start button and we go down. So then we say unhover single start button and hover what did I call it? What did I call it? Hang on. Designer. Not designer. Event graph. What we're looking for. We didn't put anything here. Okay. We missed a section. Press single back button. Hover single back button. And unhover. No, sorry. Make a custom event. Call it unhover single back button. Set that down here. Okay. So there's something we're gonna have to do with not that. Grab this. Oops. Not that. How about if we drag this out here? Instead of bringing you all the way down here, we'll put you up here. Now we take all of you, drag you down a little bit so we can give you some more space. Don't want to do that. We want you to go up in here. And then we want, nope. Thank you. Want you to go down a bit. We want you to go up in here. Something like that. But then we also need because like these can't be hovered, can they? Like we don't have like a, do we? Do we have a hovered? Oh, we do have a hovered. Interesting. Wait, hang on. Let's see how that works. Actually, I use a mouse. Hover does nothing. Okay, we'll need to do something about that. Because checked hover. Oh, unchecked hovered image. Shit. That's what we want. We want the checkbox, but we want to tint it with like 0.5 opacity. Yeah. Do that with all of these. Unchecked hovered. We want you to be checked box, but we want you to be half opacity. Let's see now. Ooh. It scales them up a little bit. Oops. Hang on. Shit. What is the 32 by 32? Okay. So do all of these. The unchecked hovered image, we want you to be 32 by 32. Alright, let's do it again. Okay. So now we got to go about adding some hovering functionality to these. So we go select this. No, this one. Easy button. Where's our easy button at? This guy. Ah, there's only on a on check state changed event for you. So I just realized this is never plugged in. Okay. That should have been checked, but alright, anyway. How do I covered? No. It's covered. Ah, okay. Sorry, getting text messages from people. Give me just a second here. Okay, anywho. Yes, we're gonna do something about hovered state. Why is there not a hovered event for them if there's a different, like, hovered image? That doesn't seem to make sense to me. I guess we can just make some events for it and let's say hover D button and unhover easy button. We already have the activate button because that's the check button or the check event, not button. So let's put these up here. So for this, we're gonna say this one, yeah. Easy button. We're gonna say set brush, or no, set. What is it? Edge. What is it? It's checked, yeah. Set. No. That's set style. Get image. No. Get is it? How do I change that? Style? What is this? Checkbox style structure. Okay, maybe get... No? Yep, there it is. Okay. Ugh. Jesus Christ. Okay, maybe I can say set. No. Set cell. Okay, maybe we can do that. I can say make checkbox set. Oh God. Okay, the unchecked image. That's what I want. Make slate brush. Yes. Oh God. All right. 32 by 32. The image is going to be the checked box. Draws image or tint. Going to be. Ooh, not that. Not that. Control designer here. Style. Checked covered. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna. Oh. Shit. What are you? Let's do that. How about? Do that. Oh, Jesus. But I want to keep the rest the same. Get style. Set. Member. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's all I want. Appearance. Unchecked image. Is this? Yes. There we go. That's what we want. Alright, so then let's do this, do that, drag you out here a little bit, push down here. Alright, now we gotta do basically the same thing, but instead this time, it's just you do this, and you're gonna be unchecked box. And that's it. Oh, Jesus. Okay. So if we move you back this way, and we move you up, then we can fit the others down here. Maybe. So let's do this. Here. Okay. Add some more custom events. Let's say hover. Hover medium button. And basically do the same thing. replace easy button with, where's our medium button at? No, not set medium button. Replace. Thank you. And then same thing here. Custom event. Unhover. Medium button. That's fine. Grab these three. There. Alrighty. Drag you up here. Alright. I guess we don't need this. Because we can just do this. Yeah. Custom event. Last one. Hover. Hard. Medium button with our hard button here, and then our unchecked thing will go here, and one more. Unhover hard button. Same thing. That, and then up here. Okay, now that that's there, go back to our this thing here. So this is hovering. We say hover medium button and unhover easy button. Here we say hover easy button, and then unhover medium button. Down here we say hover hard button, and then unhover medium button. Here we say hover medium button, and then unhover hard button. Okay. And then unhover single start. So this is from the single start, yeah. So if we go back up, we're gonna say hover hard button, and if we're going down, we're going to say hover single back button. Yeah. And last but not least here, we're gonna branch. This is for our single back button. Here, gotta do this again, or no, if we're on the bottom we only want to decrement, we don't want to increment anymore. So here we decrement, that means we go back up to the single, just say unhover single back button, and then hover single start button, just like that. Let's see if that works. So, menu panel works with a controller. All these buttons work. Press play, and then back to the single button. Go single. Select grocery store. Nice. So, it's actually hovering those different buttons there, just like we want. And hovers those. Cool. So once we activate them, the main menu has controller support. I mean, I'm gonna play around with this difficulty select because the easy, medium, and hard buttons are horizontal to one another. I'll add something in there for that, I think, and then I gotta add in the like initial state so that it shows one of the boxes checked to start off to let the player know where they're at currently. But I'm gonna leave that one open, but I'm done with that one. I am done with this one for now. Alright, very cool. So now we just need a activate controller. Yeah. Do this. We'll call it controller activate single player difficulty select activation. Alright, so just like the navigation, right, there's 0 through 4 because there's 5 buttons. So don't want you. So we can delete the 5 and 6 pins from this one. We also don't want this variable. We want difficulty select. Alright, so here we say check easy button. Here we say check medium. And here we say check hard. Check if hard. Then 3 and 4 are the play and back buttons. So then we say press single start button. And press single back button. There's that. Oh, sorry. We gotta go back here first. And then we say controller handle SP difficulty select activation. Let's see. So, just using a controller now. Let's put it on hard difficulty. Why not? Ooh. That's not where I want. Okay. Let's fix that real quick. Why did it not? Set is checked and then unchecked state changed. Okay. Why isn't that fire? Whatever. I'll plug this in down here. We'll just do this. Since it wants to be difficult, I guess. There we go. Now it's working the way I want it to. Yep. Okay. Looks like it's working. Now I can move with the controller. So we can start a game without ever having to use a keyboard. That's pretty cool. There are so many NPCs because the hard difficulty is not scaled correctly. But I can grab... Oops. There we go. Lost almost instantly. Cool. All right. So let's go in here and first gonna add the initialization so that one box is checked for controller, and then we also want to add the what's the word I'm looking for? Horizontal joystick movement for the difficulty select. So first thing is we need a way to distinguish when a controller is used versus when it isn't. So how do I want to do this? Because I know that I know how to obviously set one to be initially checked, but I don't want it to do that if the player's using mouse and keyboard, because the mouse, or I should say just the mouse functionality, right, is as soon as I hover over these, it checks them, right? Whereas with the gamepad, it's with the joystick. So maybe I can just have it checked, I guess. And then once the mouse hovers over it, it's gonna uncheck, right? Yeah, let's do that. Why not? So, yeah, easy by default is checked on that one. Let's, you by default are going to be checkbox. You're going to be 32 by 32, right? Yeah. So then that one's good. I can say for the play menu, this one. Where's your style? There it is. Normal. Wait. Oh, that's because I'm selecting the button as a whole. Hang on. This one. We want you to be the checked box. Don't want you to be your default size. Okay. Single player level select. We want you by default to be checked. Shit, what were you? 164 by 164. Okay. There we go. Alright, and then lastly, that one's already set, so yeah, I guess that's it for that. Let's go back to our graph here. We gotta go to our on key down function here. We're gonna add another pin to you. I say gamepad left, thumbstick left, and gamepad left, thumbstick right. Do that. And then I'll make another function for back here. Nope. Sorry, not here. Here. Go over here, say handle, or sorry, custom event. Handle, thumb, stick, X, axis. I'll say get current, nope, not current level name. Get current visible page. I say switch. So if it's on any page other than the difficulty select, we do nothing, right? Then let's say another input for right. And then I have an input for you saying right. Or there we go. Right. That should handle that. And then we go back to our, not this one, this one, yes. So, don't want that, don't want that, don't want that. So if you do right, so true for that. You right, we're gonna alternate these. And then same thing here. I'll alternate these. See if that works or not. It may not because we have two different events plugging into the same function. It's fine. Yeah, nothing's working on this one. Okay. So let's do this instead. How about? No, not on key down. Or yes, actually on key down. That's why nothing was happening because handle comma stick x-axis. Handle axis with right checked. And then also set use handled. Now let's try. Oh. No, nothing's working. Why isn't anything working? Okay. That's kind of odd. See, that's working, yeah. That works. Cool. So our main menu has controller support. At least, well, the settings menu doesn't. That's a whole nother animal. So let's keep going. Because we gotta do this. Okay, so we can get out of our main menu now. Somebody message me on Discord, hang on. Okay. Back to what we were doing. All right, so main menu is good. We've got the settings menu, the in-game menu, the win and lose state left. Win and lose state would be really quick. Settings is going to be the most difficult, I think. And the in-game menu shouldn't be too bad. So let's tackle the hardest one first. Let's do settings. Oops. Because if I can do that, then the other three should be pretty easy. No. Widgets. Settings. Yes. Alright, first things first. We have so many functions here already. First things first, we gotta... Nope, not that. Sorry. Delete you. Nope. Delete you. We have to override on key down event. And before I make this mistake again, go back to our designer here. Say this thing. Say is focusable. Do that. And then go back here. Okay, so then on key down. We say get key. We say get display or key display name to string, and then switch on string, just like that. So then we'll add pins here. Let me think. So we're gonna need up, down, left, right, and bottom face button again. Yes? Because we're gonna need left and right for the sliders, up and down for the scroll, and for the drop down menus. Oh. And then the face button for like the VSync button and selecting the drop downs. Okay. We can do this. So just like before, gamepad left, thumb, stick, up, gamepad left, thumb, stick, down, right, left, and then gamepad, face, button, bottom. Yes. Okay. And then duplicate this, say handled and unhandled. Put that on our default pin. All right. So then this is where our functions will go, and then we'll plug into that return node. So then we go back to our designer here. Nope, sorry. I do that all the time. Here's all of our settings stuff. Nastiness. We're gonna go up here. We're gonna say custom event, handle, handle, thumb, stick, Y axis, and then handle. Sorry. Custom event, handle, thumb, stick, X axis. What do I do for... Back here and reference my main menu. X-axis. And no bottom placement. Okay. right. Okay. And go back to our on key down function here. We say handle, thumbstick, y-axis. Say up is true. And then we go there. And duplicate that, say up to false, because we're going down. There we go. Then we say handle, thumbstick, nope. We want handle, thumbstick, x-axis. We check right to be true. Duplicate it. This time right is false, because we're going left. And last one, handle, bottom face button. Just like so. And that's all we need there. I don't need that. Okay. Out of caffeine. Alright, it's fine. So, we need an index, first of all. A variable for... Okay. Oh, I closed it. Oh, thank you. Appreciate you. What? Oh, thank you. Here, you wanna hear this? Caffeine keeps me going. Okay. We need our index. That's what we were doing. Yeah. Add a variable for our we'll call this settings index. This will be integer. We will also need, we'll probably need an index for each of the drop downs too. Maybe. We'll see. So, go here, we grab our settings index. And say switch on int. So, for settings, we have a lot. Let me see how many exactly we have here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This guy. So we said what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 5 for each of these. So we have how many of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Oh, 35 plus 9 is 44. So 45. We have 45 different settings that I think we need an index for. Oh, that's going to be a big switch statement. You know what? I gotta check something real quick. Another 5-minute break. I'm sorry. I know this has been the second one this time, but I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Where were we? We were just counting up the number of settings we had. We have 45. So, we have to add 45 pins to this? Oh no. So 0 through 44, actually. Do I really need to do this, actually? Yeah, I do. Don't mind me. I'll be here. Ready to go. Oh, Jesus. Why? Why is it disappearing on me? Is it, like, too large? There she is. Holy shit. Okay. So, starting from the top, our first setting is the master volume. So, gotta do this. So if we're at the very top and we try to go up, do nothing. So only the false pin will work here, right? If we say false, we increment this. We say plus 1. Where is that at? There it is. Sorry, I have a buzzing device. It's bugging people. I gotta deal with it. Settings, index. Oh, sorry, no, false, right? Yeah. We're gonna collapse this to a function because we're gonna have to redo that a lot. I'll call this increment, settings, index. And then there's nothing else that I think we have to do because we don't really have to hover the sliders. I don't know. Should we? I guess there should probably be some kind of visual indicator to say where you're at, right? Go back here. Let's see. Go back up to our master volume slider here. Horizontal, yeah. Should have just checked that, huh? Anyway, style. That's what I want. Hovered bar image. Yeah, we do want hovered. So we don't want to change the bar, but we do want to change the thumb image. Yeah. No. Bar thickness is fine. that change anything? Yeah, it did. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna change the color of that one, I guess. So we want to say no, we don't want that. The hovered thumb image. Let's scale it up to 12. Let's give it like a bluish tint. Something like that. Maybe? I don't know. Yeah, so let's say here. Our volume settings here. Master volume slider. Might want to do something more with this. Let's try on controller capture begin. Let's grab our master volume slider here. Set style. Sorry, not this. Get style, and then we say set members in slider style, and then we check the normal bar image, or no, sorry, the normal thumb image. Yes, and then mix the brush. The image is going to be 12 by, what was it? Shit. Where is it? Style. I'll be right here. 12 by 14. And the color is, we're gonna grab this guy. So 12 by 14. And the tint, we're going to mix light color. Plug you in there. Okay. And do that. And then on controller capture end, that's how this is going to work, but we're gonna do the same thing here, but instead we're gonna do this. We're gonna go back to 8, and you're not gonna have a tint. I think that's how to go. Yeah. So let's try that, I guess. I don't know if that's actually gonna work or not. Oh, wait. Oh no, never mind. So yeah, I can't do anything with it right now. Why is it? Wait, what? Oh, that's, yeah. Okay, so I gotta set focus to that thing. Hang on. Main menu here. On options button, we want to say focus for a widget. And our widget is our where is it? Settings widget blueprint. Maybe. Nope, just kidding. It still only has focus on the main menu. Oh, you know what? Actually, it might be under main menu here. Are this guy is not focusable. Let's try that now. Oh wait. Ooh. I do have focus on this, but I don't want focus on the whole thing. Interesting. Okay. So don't want to do this. This guy, let's see. You're focusable, yeah. Master volume. The slider is focusable, okay. So when does this get called? Invoked when the controller capture begins. So how do I determine when the controller capture begins? No. Capture. Controller? No. This has mouse capture. Oh, I guess I didn't do anything for that. Okay, hang on. So yeah, that's that. Go back up here. Yeah, let's just do this. And then here we can do subtract. Set settings index. And then U3 we can collapse to a function. Call you decrement settings index. Like so. Just like that. So then, I'll just update the index. That doesn't really change what has focus. So maybe put that up there. Where's my value changed? Maybe if we See, it's not doing anything. So maybe we do have to set focus for this one. Well, I'll put all these in for now because I know I'm gonna need them. This is gonna be real messy. So I'm sorry for those of you watching that hate this. But it's either this or like a million branches. Which I know there's a bunch of branches already, but there'd be even more. Like at least twice as many. Without this Twitch statement. Oh. So gross. Kind of stuff is not fun, but it's really important. And if you can do the really important non-fun stuff, you can finish a game. Look at this monstrosity. Jesus. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Just duplicate them out here. But I can't even zoom out far enough to get this whole thing. And then on the last one, because we're at the bottom, we don't want to go down, but we don't want to increment. Look at this mess. I gotta plug in all these ones. All this nastiness done with. I don't know. I don't know what is centered. It's too large. I can't even tell. I think that's about centered. Alright, that's just hurting my head looking at it. So we'll come back to that. This stuff will also come back to. I think I'll do this off of stream because it's just so tedious and boring. So instead, let me finish up tonight by doing the win and lose pop-ups. Get rid of those. Win one first. Our graph. We're gonna override our on-key down function. Gonna give me a warning, I know. First off, I gotta go here. Make sure you're focusable. And then do the same thing that we've done for all these. And this. Plug it in here. Then on the win one, we don't need a left and right, so we can say remove this one, remove this one. So we can do that, and then let me look here. Yeah. Grab both these comments here. Follow bubbles. Alright, so then we need functions to handle the up and down. We'll need a variable for our index, our win button index. It'll be an integer. By default, you'll be 0. So there's only 2 buttons here, right? So we only need the 2. Or I guess the index only needs to be 0 or 1. So we're gonna add custom event here for handle y-axis, or handle thumb stick y-axis, and then handle, custom event, call it handle bottom face button. Okay. And then for you, we need an input for up. Do that. Go back to our on key down event. We say handle thumbstick y-axis. Here, this one I check up because it is up. And what these say handled. And then on here we say handle bottom face button. And say handled. Just like that. Alright, so then from here we say branch, or yeah, we'll do a switch on edge first. That being our win button index. So if it's 0, 1, that's the only 2 options we're gonna have. So if it's 0 and it's up, we do nothing. If it's 1 and it's down, we do nothing. So we just do branch here. Duplicate branch here. Okay. So if we said if it's 0 and it's up, so 0 and true here, we do nothing. And 1 and false, we do nothing. So, we have to make our custom events here, right? Let's say custom event press quit button. That say hover quit button. And then unhover quit button. Just like that. And go here. Press menu button. Hover menu button.
Park champion!
Hey, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Hope you're doing well tonight. Oops, sorry. Oh, I need a new custom event. Unhover. Hello, I'm doing great. Just adding some controller support to my menus for my game. Unhover menu button. That's what I was doing. Music is slightly louder. Yeah, I know, it's always hard to do. Like, this is a very sensitive mic, and sometimes it makes me very loud, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, let me turn it down a little bit. How's that sound? Is that better? Cool. All right, got our functions there, so we can go back to here. I'm working on a game called Shopping Spree Extreme. You can see the logo for it up there. If you want to check it out, here you go. It's a game being released on Steam for PC in mid to late 2023. So let's see. If I'm at 0, that's the menu button. So 0, menu button, and I say false. We want to say, well, first we want to decrement this value. So we set this to be -1, and then we say set win button index. To do that, we're gonna collapse that to a function. I'm gonna say increment win index. I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna say unhover the menu button because that's the one we're currently on, and then hover quit button. And for down here, we're gonna do basically the opposite. Looks really fun, not gonna lie. How long have you been doing Unreal for? First of all, thank you. I hope the game is fun too. I've been doing Unreal for, I don't know, probably 6-ish years now. But up to this point, it's all just been kind of hobby projects. This is my first game that's going to be released. So yeah, I need to go here. You say set win index. Solo project with the team. It's with one other guy. Me and my business partner. We are working on it. His name's Tyler. He does all the like level design stuff. I'm more of the programming. I guess that's not true. I do some of the animation stuff. I have put music into this game that is my own. It's not great, but it is music that I have the rights to. So that's a win in my book. Let's see. Grab this here. Collapse this to a function. We'll call this decrement win index. I didn't spell that right. There we go. And then here we're doing the opposite. So we're going to unhover the quit button and hover the menu button. And that should be all we need to do there. So then down here, basically do the same thing. But here we say press menu button and press quit button. Just trying to figure out SQL and blueprints at the moment. Cool, dude. Have fun with that. I've only worked with SQL like in college for like a databases class, but I don't know. Unreal's very robust. I've learned that you can get a lot of things working with Unreal and blueprints. If you go back and check some of my past VODs, which if they're not on Twitch anymore, I don't know how long Twitch keeps them on for, but they're on YouTube. I upload them there. I got a Node.js server with a WebSocket to run with blueprints. I thought that was pretty cool. 14 days unless partner. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. I'm no professional streamer. see here. So that's that. So I guess I have to win the game to test whether this works or not. It's 14 with affiliate. I'm not pretty sure. Not sure about non-affiliates. Yeah. Whatever. Not a big deal. All right, let's play the game. Let's give it a test here. I'll play it on controller since that's what we're doing. We're adding controller support. The main menu has controller support, and the game has controller support itself. So, player, go to our grocery store level. That's the only level we got so far. We'll just do it on easy just to make sure we can win. Here we go. I guess I do art too, because I made this artwork, but I don't know. The logo I did not make. We hired somebody else to do that. And they did a very good job with it. Okay, there we are. Here's my boy. All right, so we got 1 sausage, 2 packs of the yellow and white boxes, 1 tomato, just 1 singular tomato. 3 wraps and 3 Pringles cans. Not really Pringles cans because I can't use that name. 3 bottled products that are generic. Is this what I want right here? Is it this thing? I think so. I feel like this game's actually a lot harder on a controller than it is on keyboard and mouse. But if you want to experience it yourself, we're having our first Steam playtest at the end of this month. And in order to join, you just have to join our Discord server. Link down below, link in chat. Bring more cans, I like that. Oh, there's my 1 tomato right here. Go get some more money. Why not show more content of the game?
I hate this and I hate you.
Also, that's my voice.
That's it. I'm done. I'm out. I demand a raise right now.
Противник на северо-востоке!
Please, I just want to go home.
Okay. We got some money, but we also lost some money, so I don't know if that was worth that or not. What we need a sausage. All right. Oh wait, shoot, there's a Pringles can there, or Pring more, I guess, what I should call it. Okay, that's 1. Where's the sausage at? No. Oh, there's 1. Got it. Uh-oh. Please don't come down here. Please don't come down here. Okay. There we go. Okay, 3 wraps and 2 cans. That's the push button. That's right. Run away. That voice you just heard is Tyler. He plays the deadbeat dad character, which is this guy right in front of me. I play the clerk. The businessman is one of our good friends. And where's the other guy at? That orange-haired guy. He has a... right now, his voice lines are the Russian from the old Call of Duty games. Obviously, that's not going to stay. We're working on getting new lines for that right now, actually. Here's wraps. These are big-ass wraps. Oh, I broke that one. Shit. How do I crouch? Oh, yeah, that's how I do it. Nope. Come on. There we go. Okay. Oh, no. Please. Please, no. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. We can do this. Okay. One more wrap, two more cans. Okay. All right. Nope, I don't want the wrap. This one, yeah. Oh, come on. There we go. This? No. This one. Oh, no, that's reset. Shit. How do I... Is it this? Yeah. This. Sorry. Do this. Get this out of the way. There we go. All right. One more. One more. That's all we need. We can do it. We have like 20 bucks, not quite 20 bucks of extra money, I guess. Like $18 that we can afford to break things with. Put this in here. Why are you all messed up? There we go. Okay. Grab this guy. Get to checkout. Moment of truth. Yes. Oh. Oh, we had something. Oh. It almost worked. It almost worked. Darn it. Okay. I did set this to -1, yeah? Okay. Oh shoot. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. I don't know. It's 5 to 10 o'clock. I'm calling it here. I will finish this throughout this week, and yeah, we'll go from there. Thank you for coming by. Appreciate it a lot. Next Sunday there will not be a stream. We're gonna have some family over. So no stream next Sunday. I will be streaming sometime this week, but I don't know exactly what day. Just keep an eye out for that. If you're following me, you'll get a notification. Or if you're in my Discord, you'll also get a notification there. But other than that, thank you for coming by. We'll see you again soon. Later.